Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay? So, let's see. King of Cups. The Ace of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Uy, dalawang Ace. Three of Swords. Page of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Temperance. And the Knight of Cups. Okay, bottom card natin, Tower. Oh, galing na naman sa heartbreak, heartache. So, we have here the Three of Swords. So, may mga pinagdaanan na naman na heartache, breakups, na gumuho ang ayan, mga pundasyon, sinimulan. Maaaring itong taon to na wala na lang, hindi na nagparamdam, with the Five of Pentacles natin dito, and two aces here. So, maaaring dalawang tao ang paparamdam sa'yo after ng breakup, matinding breakup. Siguro for some of you, matagal itong naging relationship nyo na itong taong ito. And dalawang tao na may mag-o-offer dito sa iyo ng love offering. Ang lakas ng dito, water sign, pero may fire sign tayo dito na Sagittarius. Ayan. So maring fire and water itong magtatalo or maglalaban, no? Parang sino yung pinaka the best sa kanila. Kaya parang mahihirapan ka mamili kasi mahirap mamili sa dalawang to. Ayan. So, tingnan natin signs and symbol cards. Or maaaring yung isa sa kanila, yung taong ito na ex mo. Ayan. Isang ex, isang new. Pwedeng ganun. Or pwedeng dalawang bago. New person. Dalawang new person. So, we have here the Rain card, Kiss, Telephone, Airplane, Broom, and Ring. Oh, so yung isa dito nasa malayong lugar. Maaari nakilala mo to sa dating site, sa internet, social media. Maaari lagi kayo magkausap sa phone, ayan. And itong taon to, willing siya, napakasalan ka anytime, anywhere. Ayan, kahit malayo kayo, willing siya magpakita sa'yo o puntahan ka agad-agad. Kasi kitang-kita niya dito yung parang this person is talagang antas ang tingin niya sa'yo. Willing siyang pakasalan ka anytime, anywhere, kahit saan simbahan or kahit sa lahat ng simbahan pa, willing daw siyang gawin yan. Oh, grabe ha. So, tingnan natin. Anong message ng Archangels? So, we have here Nurture by Archangel Gabriel. As you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. Both activities are important for you right now. So, for some of you, para may mga single parent tayo dito na iniwan bigla ng kanilang partner, na makakahanap pa ng true love or another chance dito sa love life na ito na paparating. Ayan. So, tingnan natin sa ating tarot messages, oracle cards. I have multiple opportunities. You complete me. Proud of you. Business is business. You're so sexy. Please accept my cup of love. So, ayan, no? Talagang willing tong taong ito na i-offer kung lahat ng kung ano meron siya. So, I'm willing to take the risk. So, ayan, no? And I want to grow old with you, o, diba? So, maring ito na yung taong na makakasama mo sa buhay kahit pa sabihin natin nagkamali ka sa una or iniwan ka nitong past mo, we have here keeping tabs on you. Pero itong past mo, ayan o, keeping tabs on you pa rin yan. Nakamasid pa rin yan sa mga ganap sa buhay mo. So we have here, I wish I could take back my words. I hid who I'm really am from you. You came closer than anyone. I love you unconditionally. I feel you even though I feel you leaving me behind. Ano, nabasa ko. I feel you leaving me behind. I wish I could share my good news with you. I can't stop thinking about you and I'm afraid to contact you. Pero itong past person mo, yan, nakamasid yan sa'yo. Talagang inaalam niya kung sino itong bago mo ngayon. So, mai-insecure siya kasi itong bagong person na papasok sa buhay mo ay talagang malayong-malayo sa kanya. So, we have here, it was my fault but I blamed you. Bottom card. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Letter B, J, D, letter G, N, Z, H, A, R, E, bottom card natin. Okay, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng blue card. We have here chemistry, confessions, and commitment. Oh, talagang gusto niya magbigay ng commitment. Hindi lang basta-basta salita, gagawin sa gawa. Ayan, so tingnan natin to, general signs and messages. Kaya talagang matindi yung insecurity ng past mo dito. Ayan, talagang tataas ang kilay kasi ang layo-layo ng agwat sa kanya nitong taong ito na makakakuha ka pala ng magandang trato sa isang tao na willing kang tanggapin ng buong buo. So, we have here number 7, shy at first, overthinker, Luzon, trustworthy, smart. Number 2, gorgeous, National Capital Region, perfect smile, very loyal, Virgo, August, mountain and May. July, March, 5, Poety Animal, November, Other Country, Coins, Water, Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, September, number 1, Present Lover, City, and Full of Charisma. Okay, so, ayan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.